Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we show you how to see pages that I like on Facebook PC. We start by entering our Facebook profile. After that, we click on the More icon. Here we will click on the Like option. Finally, we will be able to see everything that we like, including the pages on Facebook. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.